if I had a family member or a close friend or any friend really who needed to hire a lawyer for any reason, probate, contract, personal injury, whatever it may be, I would tell that person to go and sit down with a lawyer and meet them. I mean, I think there's no magic question you can ask a lawyer. I think what you need to do is go down, sit down, meet with them, and ask them, you know, how long have you been doing this? Have you done this kind of a case before? And it's just like going to the doctor. I tell people this all the time. You know, if you have a heart problem, you're not going to go see an orthopedic surgeon. You're going to go see a cardiovascular person. And the same is true in the law. You know, we've become specialized. Do you have a problem with a will or an estate where you're going to go see a wills and estates lawyer? Do you need a contract written up? You're going to go see a contract lawyer. But if you need a lawyer to go to court for you, then you're going to ask those kinds of questions. Have you handled cases where you've had to go to court? There's a lot of lawyers out there who can't stand going to court. They don't want to step foot in the courtroom. And you need to know that before you hire your lawyer. That's really important, obviously. So that'd be the number one thing. The number two thing I think I would ask them is, do they believe in my case? Because I think that whenever we do something, anything in life, if you don't truly believe in it, you're not going to excel. You're not going to do as well as you could otherwise. So I think that's the second thing that you want to ask your lawyer. And I think you'll learn a lot by asking a lawyer if they really believe in your case after you've told them about it, about what happened to you and what you've been suffering through and what's gone on. And I think that is going to catch a lot of lawyers by surprise, to have someone sitting in that chair across from them and saying, well, do you believe in my case? What do you think about my case? And I think those are the two big ones, obviously. And then the third one is, you know, am I going to be dealing with you, or am I going to be dealing with some other lawyer in your office? I mean, who am I hiring here? And that's acceptable for, you know, other lawyers to work on cases. I'm not saying that it isn't. And sometimes you have multiple lawyers working on your file. That can be a good thing or a bad thing. But it's something that you may want to know, because you don't want to be frustrated when you call your lawyer's office and not find the right person to talk to.